to the quiet strength of my mother. Growing up, I didn't understand much about the world, but I understood this. Ang akong mama, bisan unsa ka kapoy, padayon gihapon. She would leave the house early, walk long distance, carry her lesson plans, and sometimes even spend her own money just to make sure her students had something to learn. But what broke me and inspired me the most was her quiet sacrifice. I got married young, yes, as in sa Jujaho. I know it was hard for her, a teacher, a mother, with dreams for her daughter, but even then, wala gyud ko niya gibiyaan. Wala ko niya ingnan nga apakyasan ko. Instead, she stood by me. She supported me emotionally, financially, and most of all, she loved me without condition. You see, that's what a teacher does. Not just in the classroom, but in life. You love, you understand, you carry burdens that others don't see. And now that I am in a position of leadership, I carry my strength with me. Every policy I push, every program I support for education, it is not just for compliance. It is my way of saying thank you to every teacher who has given their life to this calling. This year's theme, Empowering Educators, Strengthening Resilience, Building Sustainability, is more than just a theme. It is a story. Empowerment, because for too long, teachers have been expected to give everything, but receive so little. It's time we give you back your voice, your respect, your place in the society. Resilience, because even when disasters hit, when resources are lacking, when the system fails you, you still rise, you still teach. Sustainability, because we cannot build a better future if our teachers are exhausted, underpaid, and unsupported. It is time we invest not just in buildings or materials, but in you, the human soul behind every lesson taught. Teachers, you are nation builders. You are second parents to the children entrusted to your care. And in many cases, you are the resource of hope in a child's life. I know some of you go home tired, emotionally drained, unappreciated, misunderstood. But please hear this today. We see you, we hear you, and we thank you. If no one has told you lately that you've made a difference, let me be the one to say it. Because children learn to believe in themselves. Because of you, families are lifted out of poverty. Because of you, dreams come true. And even if you don't always see the results, even if years pass and you wonder if your efforts were worth it, they were. Always. Because somewhere out there, a student who once believed is now believing in others because of you. Let me end with this. Teachers are like candles. They burn not for themselves, but to light way for others. But unlike candles, you do not burn out in vain. You leave light that lasts a lifetime. To my mother and to all who wear the same shoes she once wore, thank you for shaping me. Thank you for shaping our youth, and thank you for shaping the future for our nation. Daghang salamat o padayon sa inyong matahong nga pag-alagad. Happy Teachers Day. We love you, we honor you, and we will fight for you. Thank you so much and good afternoon.